How to sketch on SolidWorks. Today we will be starting a sketch on SolidWorks. Please watch until end. The first thing we will do before starting a sketch is choosing a plane, then choose a sketch icon from the options. Let's begin the sketch with line. Line. Before we select a line, there is a down arrow beside the line icon. That is line, center line, midpoint line. For your tips, if you want to draw a perfect horizontal and vertical line, there is an indicator below the pencil where you will see 90° for vertical and 180° for horizontal beside the dimension of line. Circle. To sketch a circle, select the center of a circle and drag to set its radius. Before we select the circle, there is a down arrow beside the line icon. That is line, circle and perimeter circle. Spline. Sketch as a spline. Click to add a spline. Points that shape the curve and the down options thread will be spline, style spline, spline on surface and equation driven curve. Corner rectangle. Before we select the corner rectangle, there is a down arrow beside the line icon. That is corner rectangle, center rectangle, 3-point corner rectangle, 3-point center rectangle, and the last one will be parallelogram. To sketch a rectangle, we must define the length and the width of rectangle by dragging to some points, like this. Arc. Before we select the corner rectangle, there is a down arrow beside the line icon. That is center point arc, tangent arc, 3-point arc. Sketch a center point arc. Set the center point, drag to place the arc starting point, and set its length and direction. Polygon. After selecting the polygon, in the Property Manager we feed the number of side of polygon. The value will be from 3 to desired number of sides. Before that, there is an option called for construction. We mark that box or sketch will be construction. And also there is 2 options, inscribed and circumscribed circle. These 2 options are used to decide our dimension from the center line. Ellipse. Sketch a complete ellipse, then select the ellipse center, then drag to set the major and the minor axis. Text. Sketches text. You can sketch text on faces and curves, edges, and sketch entities. Straight slot. Sketch a straight slot. A slot is generally a combination of circles and line that's best for rapid sketch on SolidWorks, and I love that cause it will minimizes my time. Use it for you will love it. Plane. Inserts a plane into 3D sketch. This icon will be active on as you build the 3 objects we will see on the upcoming videos and other tutorial videos on my channel. I would like to invite you to see my channel videos. There will be plenty of exercises you will be able to learn more if you find it is useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below. Point. Sketch at points for marking of vertexes while 2D and 3D dimensions. Designers, hopefully you will understand what I am talking about the sketch on SolidWorks. If you want to continue learning, go to the next video. Next video will be a smart dimensioning. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this videos. If you have questions, please let me know. I will answer on the comment section.